watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to today's video, where we explore the timeless charm of natural Christmas wreaths. These beautiful creations bring a cozy countryside vibe into your home, perfect for the holiday season. From classic pine and eucalyptus designs to unique touches like dried oranges and cinnamon sticks, we'll look at some wreaths ideas that are both elegant and nature-inspired. Here are some inspiring natural Christmas wreath ideas to bring a touch of the countryside to your holiday decor. Classic pine and eucalyptus wreath. A lush wreath made with pine branches and eucalyptus, tied together with twine or a burlap ribbon. Simple and timeless. Dried orange and cinnamon stick wreath. Add slices of dried oranges, cinnamon sticks, and star anise to a basic pine wreath for a festive and fragrant touch. Berry and pine cone wreath. Mix red berries and small pine cones with greenery to create a vibrant yet natural look. Rustic burlap ribbon wreath. Weave or tie burlap ribbon through a simple pine wreath for a farmhouse-inspired design. Minimalist twisted vine wreath. Use a grapevine base with a small cluster of greenery and berries for an understated, elegant look. Frosted pine branch wreath. Lightly spray pine branches with white paint or faux snow for a frosty, wintry feel. Dried lavender and herb wreath. Combine dried lavender, rosemary, and sage for a subtle countryside fragrance and soft color palette. Wooden star and greenery wreath. Attach a rustic wooden star in the center of a pine wreath, accenting it with small sprigs of greenery. Natural cotton and greenery wreath. Add natural cotton bolls to a mix of pine and eucalyptus for a soft, cozy look. Magnolia leaf wreath. Use fresh or dried magnolia leaves for a classic southern countryside vibe. Holly and twine wreath. Add clusters of holly berries and leaves to a simple base, finished with a twine bough. Feather and evergreen wreath. Add soft feathers in neutral tones to your pine wreath for a unique and rustic aesthetic. Dried hydrangea and pine wreath. Use dried hydrangea blooms mixed with evergreen branches for a vintage countryside feel. Apples and cinnamon wreath. Incorporate miniature apples and cinnamon sticks for a warm, festive wreath with a touch of tradition. Twig and pine accent wreath. Create a base of intertwined twigs, accented with clusters of greenery, berries, and small pine cones. Thank you for joining me today as we explored these beautiful natural Christmas wreath ideas. I hope these designs inspire you to add a touch of countryside charm to your home this holiday season. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more festive decorating ideas. Let me know in the comments which wreath style you'd love to try, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy holidays!